Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on today's video we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for my third paycheck in October. If this is your very first time here on my channel, we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And I am so very glad that you have clicked on the video. If you are a returning subscriber,
hey girl, hey.
So glad that you have returned. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right on into it, okay? I am going to be stuffing a total of $481 today. So I already have it set out so we don't have to do all the counting. And we're just gonna start with unstuffing our envelopes from the last 2 weeks. And the first thing that we're gonna do is unstuff our coins. We have a lot of coins to unstuff, you guys. And this is pretty much what we have saved for the year in coins. Usually I cash in my coins for the year, but I don't think that I'm gonna cash my coins in this year. I'm just going to roll it over 2022, okay? And then we'll see how many coins we save. Last year I saved, I think, $116, I think it was, in coins for the whole year. So if you haven't checked out my last video, which was you know, counting my saving challenges in 2020, I definitely encourage that you do so. All right, so those are the coins. Now it's starting to get a little heavy. And the wallet that I'm using, I need to I thought I lotioned my hands, but I didn't. They're a little ashy, so I don't want to be on here looking crazy, so let me lotion my hands. But as I'm lotioning my hands, I can explain to you. The wallet that I'm using is a Filofax wallet. I did have a couple of people who inquired about the wallet that I was using. So yes, it is a Filofax wallet. And I'll put their link down in the description box. I do believe they're still selling wallets. I mean, I haven't seen them online or anything, but they have a lot of different colors and I really, really like the wallet. So this is pretty much how you spell it, Filofax. And I just got the red one. I've had this one for a while. I got this one for my birthday last year, I think. So let's see what we got. Groceries, we don't have anything. Eating out, nothing. Allowance, I had never stuffed that one. Household, nothing. Toiletries, nothing. You guys, I don't think I have too much of anything. So really we can just start stuffing. I am using the Budget by Paycheck Budget Mom budget book to do my cash envelope breakdown here. And so I'm gonna be having this on the side to count the money that's gonna be going into the envelopes. So the very first thing is going to be groceries, and that is a $100 bill and a $50 bill. Real simple there. Next is gonna be toiletries, and that is going to be $35, but actually, sorry, let's go eating out, and eating out is gonna get $50, and that's 2 20s and a 10. 20, 40, 50. Next is allowance. Is not getting anything, so I'm just gonna take allowance out of here. Next is household, and that's getting 50, so 2 20s and a 10. These are for my household items like detergent, cleaning products, toilet paper, paper towels, things like that. Toiletries is going to be getting $35. That's going to be a 20, a 10, and a 5. And giving is not getting anything, even though I should have stuffed that. So we are all set. These envelopes, I take these envelopes on the go with me. You know, as I'm out, I do not carry all my cash envelopes with me because that would just be carrying way too much cash. So these are my carry the envelopes that I carry with me daily. All right, so I do want to introduce to you guys some new categories that I'm going to be adding to my sinking funds, and I'm going to be adding them in between this cash stuffing video and my next cash stuffing video, which I'm super excited about because I am revamping my homework cash envelope binder, and I think you guys are really gonna love how I'm strategically using that binder to pay my bills and save for things. So make sure that you guys stay tuned and plugged in for that video. But for this particular video, these are my new categories. Wigs, you guys know I'm into wigs. YouTube, JW, this is for me. This is like anytime that I want to do something a little bit more extravagant than an allowance would allow me to do. So this is just my own personal envelope. This is job petty cash. So you guys know when you're at work and something always comes up, like we just had Boss's Day and I forgot that Boss's Day was on the 16th, even though I'm a boss, but I forgot that I have a boss too. And I had to give money for her gift, and I was like, oh, I need to have a petty fund because I always forget about the stuff at the job. And then wedding. So yes, this is not my wedding. One of my good girlfriends, she is getting married, and I am in the wedding party. So you guys, if you are in anybody's wedding, you need a wedding envelope, let me tell you. Drop down in the comments if you have been in a wedding before and what the cost ran you up, okay? Home maintenance, Father's Day and Mother's Day. I don't forget about Father's Day and Mother's Day, but it seems like when it comes up, I'm just like, I ain't got no money. But I really want to celebrate them on their day, so they need their own separate envelope. Okay, so these are my new categories that I will be adding once again between this video and the next cash stuffing video. Okay, so medical is not getting anything today. Let's count what we have in here. I don't go to the doctor often, but I do want to keep contributing at least like $5 to it. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, yeah. So I need to start contributing to my medical envelope again. Auto care will be getting something. Auto care is going to be getting $25. And let's count what we have total in auto care. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 125 in auto care. All right, next is car registration. Car registration is going to be getting $15. I just paid my car registration, so it won't be due again until next September. 10, 20, 25, 30. So we got $30. I only have to save $15 per paycheck, and so that should be enough for that. Hair. I know I said I have a wig envelope, but hair and wig is different, two different things. And if you know what I mean, let me know in the comments, okay? So hair is like my hair, if I want to go get my hair washed or something like that, and wig is, it's a wig. So for my hair, I'm going to be contributing $25. So that's 20, 40, 45, 50. And then next is clothes, and clothes is going to be getting $25. Kind of rebuilding this envelope here. 20, 25, 30. All right, now let's go to our next section, which is HOA. And for some reason, I keep forgetting to take my HOA out of the bank. I really need to do that. So let's go to the next one. Trash is $16. I have to pay my trash bill every quarter. 10, 15, 16. And it's about, how much is it? I forgot how much it is. let's see, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, $64 for trash. All right, next is, now this here is my home maintenance envelope that I was using last time, and I didn't have anything on it. So let me swap the cash out here. And here we have home maintenance. And home maintenance is going to be getting $20. So we have a total of $40 in home maintenance. Ooh, I cannot wait to show you guys my new envelope binder, my new homework envelope binder. This is Girls' Day. We're not getting anything here. Holidays, we're not stuffing this because I'm actually going to be I'm actually going to be counting my saving challenges. Oh God, I can't talk. So for holidays, I'm not putting anything in here because I'm actually going to be counting my saving challenges, and that's what I'm going to be using for the upcoming holidays, Thanksgiving and Christmas. Next is birthdays. We're not adding anything here. Car wash is going to be getting $30. Ooh, I get to give me a car wash, you guys. My car has not been washed in ages. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, and it is $60 to get my car washed. I have someone who comes to my house and he washes my car. Next is nails. Nails is going to be getting $30, and I'm excited about nails because you guys know I love nails, so I want to get some done for Thanksgiving. So next is my support envelope, and my support envelope is just, you know, so that I can support others. Like if someone has a product or something coming out and I want to help support them, I will already have a fund for that. So I have 20, 30, 40, 45, $50 in here. So I do need to continue adding to this. Investing, you guys, I will be investing soon. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, $175. I will be adding to this next time I get paid. Planner Bay, I'm just gonna take this out because I really doubt that I will be buying any planner stuff for a while. Beauty counter is not getting anything, and savings is not getting anything. So let me add in here wedding. I'm gonna add all my little extra envelopes right here, even though I'm probably gonna be moving them around, but for the sake of this video, just gonna add them in right here. All right, so wedding is going to be getting $100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 for the wedding. And then job petty fund is going to be getting $10. All right, so let me see if my binder is going to close because it's already in a little tight there. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you are not subscribed, please, 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 I encourage you to subscribe. If there's something that you like, you will not be upset that you subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel, and then also give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Hyper focus my attention on you, baby. A selfish new dimension in my mind. You're exotic like a diamond. I can't shake you. My sticky Aunt Jemima, sugar.